Catfish people, what's up? Hey, we right here in the kitchen and we getting ready to show you some of the ways that I make some of the baits that I've used in these videos that have caught me fish, so you know it's tried and true. So hey, right now we're going to show you the chicken baits. So what I done is I go get me a cheap pack of chicken. There's chicken thighs on the bone, alright? Or you can use chicken breast. They both work. They both work with ingredients, and they both work by themselves. Sometimes it might change a little bit. I mean, I've had them, my fish hit just plain chicken, whether it be plain chicken breast or plain chicken thighs, and then I've had it where they wouldn't hit it plain. It had to have an additive to it. So I'm going to show you today two of the additives that I use, and this is on chicken thighs. And I have video, like I said, here on YouTube showing you me using these baits. We're going to put this back in the refrigerator, and I'll show you what I got going on. Alright, I got a couple dogs here I'm having to step over. Alright, so what I've done here is in advance, I cut my chicken thighs up. Doesn't matter about the skin or anything. I leave it on there. And I cut it in various sizes and shapes, just whatever comes off, and I get it off the bone. Then I take, don't add anything in it, I just dump the chicken in the bowl. No water, no oil, no nothing. And I add a pack of this. So you've seen that size of chicken thighs. It's got one box of Jello for that whole entire pack of chicken thighs that I've got cut up and put in this bowl. Then what I do is I take and I would put it in the refrigerator and I let it sit for 24 hours so that it absorbs all of this. Now there's all kinds of studies, some research and so forth, whatever not, that people assume, why does it catch? I guess nobody really knows, but it does work. Chicken thighs, chicken breast, organs, you know, they all work. People's got videos and showing how, you know, they've caught off of various baits other than fish. But I use chicken and live or cut baits, you know, most of the time. I don't use livers unless I puree them and let my chicken soak in it, because livers just don't stay on. Chicken will. So that's another video for another day. Okay, now also I will take my chicken thighs with no Jello, and if I say Kool-Aid, I'm sorry, I'm meaning Jello. I may say Kool-Aid from time to time. That's also another video. But we're gonna go over garlic. Yes, it does work. Add garlic to your chicken with the Jello, without the Jello. I never do. I'll just take my chicken, cut it up, add some garlic to it, stir it up real good, and then I'll show you my next process with my food processor bags vacuum thing here. But garlic, sprinkle you some garlic in your chicken, stir it up real good, and then don't be generous. Don't put some in there. You know, you want it to get that. I've seen guys crush up garlic, put whole garlic cloves or the kind in the bottles. Oils, whatever not. It's a lot of variations of ways of doing this, but these are the ways that I do it that work for me. And I've done video here on YouTube. You know, I've got videos of me catching fish off of these various baits from a pound to 30 to 40, you know, 50, whatever size I've caught, which my largest fish came off of cut bait, red nose grass carp or whatever they're called, is what I caught my PB off of last season. But this chicken here, you know, just various sizes. Let me hold it over here kind of close so you can see my hand, you know, so just decent, you know, pretty decent sizes. Cut you some small, cut you some big. I've never caught flathead off of any artificial baits. All the flathead I've ever caught have either been off of fresh live bait or fresh cut frozen bait, blues and channels, and I've caught more blues off of the Jello chicken than I have off of regular chicken, and I've caught various sizes. So then what I do is, we'll get into the next step if I don't knock my camera over here, is I take my vacuum pack. I got this off of Amazon, pretty cheap. It works extremely well. I cut my bags. I always double seam, whatever, seal it. I'll put however many pieces of bait that I'm gonna put in this bag, depending on the size, you know, 4 big chunks, 5 up to 10, whatever, you know. And then a lot of times I'll take a Sharpie, I'll write on it exactly what's in it so I know. Stick it in the freezer. When I'm ready to go, I pull it out. Now try to lay them flat too, because you know usually that's easier, or fold them up. Try to get them as small as you can so you can get them in your bait box. Seal them up, you know, whatever. I'm repeating myself when I do that sometimes. Y'all know me. Y'all watching my videos. Y'all know who I am, man. This is unscripted, y'all. Hey, it's straight facts. So we take this, we seal it up, put it in the freezer, make sure we know what's in it, whether it's chicken, you know, garlic, whatever cut baits. Hey guys, invest in one of these. This was pretty cheap, Amazon. It's all under 50 bucks. I mean, you use it for everything, man. And if you got extra cut bait, you know, you've done fishing for the night, whatever, or the day, and you got extra cut bait, instead of just chunking it back out in the water, take it home. Don't take but a minute, man. Have you some of these already ready? Put your cut bait in there. Put it in the freezer. You never know when you're going to need it. You know, you'll be struggling. Sometimes you ain't got bait. But, hey, if you'd have saved some of that bait, hey, somewhat going bad bait is better than no bait. Right or wrong on that. I got to say, you can't go fishing if you ain't got the bait. So don't chunk your bait back in the water or just on the side or throw it away. Hey, take it home. Put it in one of these right here. Throw it in the freezer. Don't take up no room. And you got bait the next time you want to go fishing, most definitely. So hey, as I said, you got your chicken thighs or chicken breast, either one you want. You cut them up in your bait size pieces. Make you some bags up with plain chicken breast, plain chicken thighs. Make you some up with your Jello. Like I said, I use the strawberry. Make sure it's the sugar kind or whatever not. It don't matter about the brand. I always just buy whatever is the cheapest I can find. Right on there, what's in your bag, so you know you got it. It's frozen, it's ready to go. And garlic, Jello. Hey, it works. Check out previous videos that I've got on here. You'll see. Don't have to take my word for it now if you haven't watched my channel. Just go check out some videos. You'll see the baits that I use. You'll see that they work. I give up DIYs. I give up, you know, my DIYs. I give up gear tips. Everything that I've learned through YouTube and other guys teaching me. And shout out to all of the guys that stand behind me and help me, that has helped me get to where I am now. I don't have to mention y'all's names. Y'all know who you are. I've done congratulated you enough. Hey, and thank you, man. The ones I had on TikTok, thank you, Nikki, so very much. I really appreciate it, and I love it, man. If y'all ain't following Catfish Nation over on TikTok, go follow them. Hey, cool. Hey, I'm telling you straight up, y'all. One more note. My TikTok, Forgotten Soul 76. Go check it out. Help me build it up even more. We'll start doing some lives, bringing y'all to the banks. Hey, trying to get it all for y'all. Teaching y'all what I've been taught. And hey, if you got some tips, tricks, or whatever not, shoot them to me. I love hearing them. I'll try them. Heck yeah. Can't never stop learning, y'all. Can't never stop learning and building a family ship. We're not going to call it a friendship. It's a family ship, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I appreciate it, man. Get out there and hit that bank. Tight lines, and God bless.